Hello guys, Shandias here. If you have watched my previous video on the suspension YSS that I purchased, if you remember, I had mentioned I had purchased a suspension called RCB from LRL Motors, and this is the suspension I was talking about. If you can see, it's so beautiful, man. I just feel really disappointed sending it back because it was so beautiful. I've never seen or had the privilege to own one like this in my life till now. But sadly, I had to send it back because the shock was a little short by an inch from the stock suspension. When you compare the stock suspension with this one, it was 1 inch short. So that will give me problems because I'm 5'10" and it will impact the aesthetics of the bike as well, because to adjust with that I need to make changes in the front forks as well to reduce the ground clearance of the bike, the height in other words. So there was one more option. I could make custom bearings or spacers maybe to hold the suspension in place, but I don't know, I didn't feel it right to do all this because this was brand new. So I had to send it back and opt for another suspension which I'm having right now, the YSS. So if you are a short rider, maybe 5'5", and you're looking forward to reduce the height of your bike, the ground clearance, ride height, etc., then probably you can go for this suspension because it is 1 inch short. That's a huge difference actually. And even make changes in the front forks, for your convenience. So one more thing is, by looking at the shock, I can tell I did not get a chance to test it because the fitting was not perfect, so I had to return it back. It's an amazing shock, guys. It had a rebound, it had preload, it has compression, it was fully adjustable suspension. I wish things would have turned out for me, but I had to give it away. Hopefully the YSS one which I've got in return would be a promising one, so looking forward to it. Give me some time. My bike is in the workshop and I need the shock fit in, and once it's done I will tell you how the bike feels before and after. Okay, that's all, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on this. You can check if you really like this shock, you can go for it. I have the details in the description on this video and the link of purchase and the vendor. All the details I'll post it for you. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.